Alright guys, welcome back to That Data Nerd. Today I'll be doing another SQL question from LeetCode. This has been asked from Amazon Meta in the last 3 months, and more than 6 months ago it has been asked by Amazon and TikTok. So it is a good question to have in your repertoire. Uh, uh, this question says that you have been given a table called Stadium, which has 3 columns: ID, visit date, and people. Visit date is a column with unique values for this table. Each row of this table contains the visit date and visit ID to the stadium with the number of people during the visit. As the ID increases, the date increases as well. Write a solution to display the records with 3 or more consecutive IDs and the number of people is greater than equal to 100 for each. Return the result table ordered by visit date in ascending order. The result format is in the following example. We have been given a table stadium 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and all of these visit dates. Now, only 5, 6, 7 meet this condition. 5, 6, 7, 8 meet this condition. 5, 6, 7, 8. Sorry, 5, 6, 7, 8 meet this condition. It is not on the visit date. It is on the ID, such that the next ID should follow directly 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, and all of the people should be greater than 100. The 4 rows with IDs 5, 6, 7, 8 have consecutive IDs. Each of them has greater than equal to 100 people attended. Note that row 8 was included even though visit date was not the next day after row 7. That is the important line. The rows with ID 2 and 3 are not included because we need at least 2 or at least 3 consecutive IDs. Please. 3 consecutive IDs. See, it is greater than 100, but since 4th is not greater than 100, it drops, and therefore 5, 6, 7, 8, all of them are greater than 100 and they are consecutive, so that is why they'll get picked. So we have been the to find here is ID, visit date, and people for such days when IDs are consecutive and people are greater than equal to 100. We have been given a table called stadium which has 3 columns: ID, visit date, and people. Pseudocode that should be ID. Let's create a 3 table join, but not a direct join, and should be a cross join. Cross join between stadium and stadium, such that stadium S1, stadium S2, and S3, S1, S2, and S3 all have more than 100 people, and S1's ID, S2's ID, and S3's ID are within plus minus 1 days of each other. So +1, +2, or -1, -2, or -1, +1. Let's write the query. Select from stadium S1, stadium S2, stadium S3, where S1 dot people is greater than equal to 100 and S2 dot people is greater than equal to 100 and S3 dot people is greater than equal to 100 and S1 dot id plus 1 equal to S2 dot id and S1 dot id plus 2 equal to S3 dot id or S1 dot id minus 1 equals S2 dot id and S1 dot id minus 2 equal to S3 dot id or S1 dot id plus 1 equal to S2 dot id and S1 dot id plus 1 equals S3 dot id. Now I can select from the from S1 the id S1 dot visit date and S1 dot people. Oh, this should be minus 1, right? Minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 minus 2 plus 1 plus 2. This is happening because 7, 8, 5 and 6 is getting repeated and 7 is getting repeated, so if I add distinct I should be able to remove that. And I think I need to order by visit date. Doesn't matter if I group by or not, but order by should be there. So I should order by the visit date in ascending order, so that is why I added an order by here. When I added order by, the solution got accepted and I can go ahead and submit it, and it has been accepted. Great. So this is the solution. The mistake that I was making was that here it was plus 1 and this also was plus 1. This is like a stupid mistake that I did, silly mistake that I did. It should be minus 1 and plus 1 because we've already said it here, minus 1 and plus 1. So I think this should be the answer. If you liked the video, please press the like button. If you have any doubts, please drop in the comments and please subscribe to my channel.